Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to use Seedance 2 for free. As you can see, this is a video that I created using Seedance 2. Okay, look at the model is Seedance 2. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go ahead to Google and search for Dola AI and hit enter right here. This Dola AI allows you to use Seedance 2 for free. It's the only website in the internet allows you to use Seedance 2 for free. Okay, let's log in using your phone number or your Google account. I want to use my Google account. Okay, choose your Google account. Hit continue. Okay, confirm this. Yes, confirm. Okay, as you can see, this is the interface of our Dora account. Okay, go ahead to create a video. Okay, as you can see, this is the settings to can use it. Okay, let's create anything. I want to tell ChatGPT to create fight scene using Seedance Turbo count and hit enter. Okay, this is my prompt. Okay, let's use this one. And go here. Paste it and hit send. Our dollar is now. Okay, the video will generate model tool. We will use 2 points and will be ready between 1 to 3 minutes. It's generating right now. Okay, the video can't be generated because basically volatile content. Okay. Load to movie file. Yes. Okay, now I started generating. Okay, violative modify it again. Okay, let's make another thing. Okay, to avoid this violative content, I want to send another. Okay, another thing to ChatGPT, create a sync between Ferrari and McLaren video using Seedance tool. Okay, let's copy all of this. And go here and paste it. Okay, now it started working. Okay, as you can see, our video is ready. Okay, as you can see, we are finished creating this already. Another type I want to show you. You can, for example, create video and set duration 5 seconds or 10 seconds and the aspect ratio. Use as you want. And you can save it from here.